If you've been scrolling trying to figure out whether a steam vacuum mop hybrid makes sense for everyday cleaning, here's why this one stands out. Now to start off, I have used dozens of floor cleaning machines, robot vacuums, steam cleaners, wet dry systems, you name it. And this Roborock F25 Ultra combines multiple tools into one device that actually work together instead of making compromises. There's a blue light detection system. Now that's going to reveal the crumbs and the fine dust that you can't see with your eyes alone. So it's actually targeting deeper messes. Now this isn't suction. This one uses steam up to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, or you can use 187 degree hot water if you don't want to use steam. And that's going to dissolve sticky messes, grease on your kitchen and your hard floors. And then it's going to vacuum and almost dry that floor in one pass. The wheels and the navigation are completely intentional. It's got AI assisted forward and back. It lays all the way flat, and it moves around furniture and obstacles with much less hesitation because of that AI enhanced mobility. All the way flat. Now after you're all done, it basically handles its own cleanup. The rollers are going to get steam cleaned and hot air dried for you, and that's going to keep this from getting smelly, unlike some of those other vacuum mops. Now because it's a hybrid system, it is going to be heavier and larger than like a simple stick vacuum would be, so if you only need light cleaning, that's worth noting. Now I will say for everyday floors, kitchens, sticky spills that regular vacuums can't lift, the Roborock F25 Ultra genuinely cuts down on your cleaning time. After using this almost every day for about a month, I would definitely buy it again. I'll put the link on the video so you can check it out.